Hello my planner pals and welcome back. If you're new here, then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di. I am here at Creative Karma Design. Today I'm going to do a use all of the stickers. This is where I show you ideas on how you can use kind of weird stickers that are in some of the sticker books so that you can use every little scrap that's in your sticker book. This is going to be for the Bright Travels by Happy Planner. And yeah, let's get started. All right, so we've got stickers here. These have bronze foil on them. And this is what I will say. These, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you are redating your planner, so if you were redating the top of your planner and you wanted little stickers to cover there, all you've got to do is take one of the little Avery dots. These are like 3/4 of an inch. Pop that on there and then just put the number in and you've got a nice color scheme that matches the stickers in your planner. So yes, that's the first thing that you can do. The other thing is these, like these kind of stickers, you can cut them into little washi strips, little strips, and use them as a washi tape or like a border or something like that. Same with this, you could cut this one down into a square, you could cut this one down into a square, you can cut this one down. Like you don't have to keep them the shape that they are. Get your scissors out, cut them down. These are lovely. These are on clear. And again, these are just accents that you can put anywhere. These work especially well in the space of your planner, especially in the monthly. If you have this big space that you want to fill, like you were using one of these in the sidebar and you have a to-do list or whatever, you have these spare boxes here. You can just put them in there and make them a little bit of fun decor for your planner. So yes, don't forget to use these. These are lovely. Now I said this before about these. We got quotes. You don't have to take the quote and use it exactly as it is. You can cut the quote, I am so lucky. Just say yes. You don't have to have them how they are here, especially if they don't fit in the space that you want them to. Cut them up. Cut the stickers up. You got some great little stickers here. And the other thing, I didn't mention this a second ago, and I've mentioned this before, but sticker paper. Get yourself a little bit of sticker paper. If you like this, but you want more of a functional box, you need a to-do list or whatever, get some sticker paper, put a little bit of sticker paper in there, and then you have a functional box that you can use that matches the color scheme of your spread. Same with this, same with this. Even this, if you don't like the quote, sticker paper, get yourself some sticker paper, put it in there. Sticker paper is very, very useful in your planner spreads. These I like, again, if they don't work for you, cut them down. On to the next, and then underneath adventure, cut them down. I especially like using these in the monthly. All of these say priority. If you don't like priority, get some white out, just wipe that out and put another header on there. Maybe you bought today and you put today on there and you just layer the stickers. Again, if you don't like what's in there, get a little sticker paper, make it a more functional box. Make it a more functional box. Beautiful, but again, if it's not right for you, cut it down. Cut it down and just have more of a staggered effect. I've talked about these before, these tombstones, but you don't have to keep them as they are like this. Now, especially when you have headers like this, that green one would fit straight on there. And then you can just cut that and have it as a square box. Super easy. Super easy. You don't have to keep them like this shape. If you want ideas on how to use these, I do have a full video. You can check that out here. Little flags, again, use them to redate at the top of your planner, especially when they're like the bigger ones like this. They're great for redating. You can also use them in boxes, to-do lists, lovely. Again, you've got more little circles here. You can use them for redating, or you can, if you don't want to do and you want an appointment, you can just use it for an appointment sticker. Again, you could just put a little bit of sticker paper in there. You can cut them down. Oh, these are great. I love this sticker book. It's very retro and I'm down for it. But yeah, You got girls here. These work great on the dashboard or your currently page. Again, cut the stickers up, make them more horizontal rather than vertical. Now, these are the ones that I wanted to kind of talk about on this. I like these. That's just me. My preference is that I like these because I would use these on more of a travel spread. If you're like, I have this book because it was cheap, like me. This cost me $5. I think there's ways to use these. Now, if you have, again, sticker paper and you don't like this, or you don't like this, or there's just something about it you don't like, just get yourself, I'm going to use this. This is like just a double box, but it gives you an idea. Again, just get another bit of sticker paper, put it in there, and you've got a regular box. Or layer on a box on top of it. And this could be a decorative box. It doesn't have to be a frame. But yeah, it could be a decorative box and you just put that there. But yeah, don't think you're limited to how these are on the page. The other thing that you can do with these is you can take them, fold them in half, and then put a box on top. And you've got a flip box that you can have in your planner. So yeah, and then you don't see the design. You can just put one of your decorative things on the top and give yourself a little flip box. But I like them just because they're a little funky. Now again, we talked about this a second ago, but you don't have to keep these as is. If you've got a header, or, you know, again, a little bit of sticker paper in there, and you've got a header, put your header and then just flip it around. So it's that way, and you've got a rectangular box. You could even, if you wanted to, just use this strip and put the strip here and just make a square box. If you want to get fancy, you can even use the bleed, the offset there, and use that offset. But again, you've got ideas that you can use there. And if you don't like this, just cover it up, either with a little bit of sticker paper or with another box or your decorative box or whatever it is. Washi. So these are little washi strips, little decorative strips. I love these. And what I generally do with these is, again, I will use them to make a box with, or what I generally do is I will cut it to a thinner length and get twice the amount of washi tape out of that page. But I love these strips. These strips are one of my favorite things. Again, more decorative boxes. You can put your sticker paper in, you can layer them, you can cut them down into strips, into smaller size boxes. But beautiful. Again, header strips. You can put that in there, and that's your today box. Oh, that's nice. I didn't know it had like self-care stuff in. Again, just use them as decorative on top of boxes, stuff like that. Inside boxes, if you put your tree there and you had it on top of the box, you can put your animals on top of the box. Can you just see that? Put them inside the box. Oh, these are nice. I like these. Again, if you don't like them and you're struggling to use them, put one in here. Put one in here. Or you could put it on the other end and make a fully oblongy type thing. These I will probably just cut in half. I like my bullets to be like halved and have them on the side of the page. And then you've got like a to-do list strip checklist type thing. Again, these are lovely just to hang off the side of boxes, like appointment stickers and stuff like that. The other thing that you can do is you can cut these in half like that, and then have them as accents on the side of the page or the side of a box. Again, sticker paper, sticker paper, sticker paper. This could be, again, little strips, Again, you can cut these up. These can be put on those rounded boxes. You've got a today there. You can put that on there. You've got a today box that's more square rather than angular. Oh, or even here. So you could take that today, put it on here. You've got a regular box rather than this tombstone. Again, the flags are going to be redating. If you don't want today because you're putting this in the sidebar, you can wipe that out. You can just put a little header or something or a box, or you can get a little bit of sticker paper, put your sticker paper in there. Again, so, oh, this is just beautiful. Love, 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 love. But again, if you don't, washi, little strips that you can use somewhere. You could even, if you wanted to get really fancy, cut each flower out and use it as an accent. If you like this quote, but you don't want the foil, cut the foil off. I mean, you just got to use your scissors and just cut the foil off. Again, same with this. If you like the quote, but you want it horizontal, cut it out. If you like this quote, but you want it vertical, cut it out. These are fun. Now, if you don't like the stampy effect, like the stampy effect of the jagged lines, I do, I kind of think it's fun, then you can just cut. Get your scissors, get your craft knife, and just cut so that they're more square and they don't have the stampy edge. They don't have the stampy edge. You got two sheets, you could have one sheet square and one sheet stampy. Some more of the same stickers here. Same ones as before. Oh, same ones as before. These are beautiful. The one thing that bothers me about these is that the fact that they've got plan, to do. Those are all appointment. Those are all reminder. These, I would just cut the appointment off because there's a nice strip there where the box is square. The box is square. Same with this. All you got to do is cut that off there and you've got a regular box with no header on it. So don't feel that you have to have the plan. Just cut it off. Cut it off. And these little things, I like to have them on the top of a box just so that they give me more of a idea of what's in the box. The other thing that you can do again is put them there, put the focus there, and then you can cut it down so it's more of a rectangular box. Oh, they're fun. They're fun. Again, travel more. Cut it, make it vertical. But very cute, very cute. Again, always be brave. Make it horizontal rather than vertical. Grow your own way. That I would probably put the your in there, in that white space, because I don't like that there's so much white space there. Pack your bags. Like, there's just, don't be afraid of cutting your stickers up. Those are the same as before. Those are the same, just the same ideas. Just cut the appointment off, cut the reminder off, cut the plan off. And if you don't like the lines, you can even get a little bit of sticker paper and put some sticker paper in there. Or if you wanted the whole thing, you could put some sticker paper in there. Not that size because that doesn't fit, but get some sticker paper. Just put some sticker paper in there. Oh, perfect. Headers. Now these are, yeah, they're smaller. So these aren't your standard size headers. Now I like these for your monthly. Because they're smaller, what they will do is when you come into your monthly, they will give you a little bit of space, especially for the vacay ones. They will give you a little bit of space. I like using them like that, just so that you have a little bit more space, and then use a little line or washi and kind of spread outwards from there. But I love them for my monthly. Put them in your monthly, put them in your sidebar. They also work well. They also work well for putting on a box. And I would put that there. You could put it there. You could put it on the side. Like, there's so many ways that you could use these. The other thing is you don't have to keep them square like they are. You can cut the ends so that they're pointed, so that they're flagged. Like, so many ideas for those. So many ideas. And once you're done, I've said this before, once you're done with this, save. because I would cut the page there and there, and then you've got a list that would work in your sidebar because it's already got the little gaps cut out. I've done this before, and if I remember, I will link it here, but I've done this before and it works great in the sidebar, or it works great for putting in the vertical in the little slots, for lack of a better word, the slots, because you've got the work done for you and you've just got the spaces to fill in your list of stuff that you're going to do that day. So yeah. All right. And that, my friends, is how to use all the stickers in the Bright Travels. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.